We handle the chassis reinforcement and stretching in this section. It then moves down the line for interior assembly.
The workflow seems highly efficient.
Careful with that. It's heavier than it looks.
Yeah, I got it. Let's put it over by the door panels.
Check the voltage on that harness before we proceed.
It's reading stable. Go ahead and disconnect the main relay.
A little higher, hold it right there.
I think that's seated.
Okay, pass me the impact. Are you feeling that slight binding right there?
Yeah,
there?
definitely getting some resistance and a little clunk.
We still need 5 grams at zone 3.
Got it. Let's run it again.
Hand me the torque wrench when you get a chance.
Grabbing it now.
Ready for the line?
Yeah, feed it slowly. Hold it right there while I clamp this. Okay, apply pressure.
Steady there.
And locked.
Pressure test initiated. Holding steady now.
Reading confirmed.
No drop in pressure.
Good. No leaks found.
Inspection complete on this section. Everything checks out.
Nope. Looks good.
Looks good.
We need to reroute this harness before we mount the connector.
Okay, I'll adjust the run right here.
The fiber trunk connects right here, see? Okay, I'm tracing the blue one now.
Yeah.
The schematic update confirms that's the correct path.
The voltage on terminal 3 looks good.
What are we reading?
Holding steady at 12.5 volts.
Programming is complete. Go ahead and confirm the update.
All right. Confirmed.
There it is. All modules communicating, no faults.
Perfect. Let's finalize this report. I've got the main bundle secured right here.
Sure.
Looks good. That matches the schematic perfectly.
That is some clean cable management right there.
Looks factory spec. Nice work.
Make sure that edge is completely smooth against the frame.
It's locked in tight.
Quality check approved.
The integration of the blue ambient lighting really sets this apart.
Yes.
It looks incredible.
The stitching on the leather is flawless too.
Okay, hold it steady.
Securing the top screws now. And the bottom one. USB connection confirmed.
And the HDMI port is secure. Looks good. Make sure it's aligned on your side.
Yeah, hold it steady while I start the screws. Keep the tension steady as I press this section in.
Yeah.
Holding it taut. The adhesive should catch now. Okay, push that side in firmly. Got it. Securing the latches now.
To charge your phone, simply place it on the pad. The blue indicator light confirms it's connected.
We utilize the reinforced alloy for the wheel housing right here.
The structural integrity looks sound. Proceed with the final clear coat.
She's all finished, sir. The team did an outstanding job on the finish and the custom seating.
The craftsmanship is superb. My clients will be very impressed.
The ride stabilization is flawless. You and your team did exceptional work on the chassis.
Thank you, sir. We prioritize passenger comfort on this model.